Good morning students, my name is Mangalam Agarwal. In the previous video, I have discussed about a numerical based upon to find out the maximum tension and the minimum tension in the cable which are at springing level. Okay, so now we have to find out the UDL which is also at springing level. Okay, if the stress is given to 600 Newton per millimeter square. In this question, a suspension cable of the horizontal span 95 meter is supported at the two different level. The right one is higher than the left one. Okay, which is by 4 meter. The tip of the lowest point of the cable below the left support is 5 meter. The cross sectional of the area is 3500 millimeter square of the cable. We have to find out the UDL which carry the stress about 600 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, let us see how to find the UDL load if the stress is given. Okay, so after reading the question, we just draw this figure which are at springing level. Horizontal reaction, vertical reaction. Dip is D1 is 5 meter, this is 4 meter, and total D2 is 9 meter. L1 and L2, and the total horizontal distance is 95 meter. So firstly we have to find out the L1 and the L2 by using this formula. L1 upon L2 is equal to under root of D1 upon D2. So L1 is equal to 0.745 L2 and the L1 plus L2 is equal to 95. So solving both these equation, we just calculate the L1 and the L2 distances, that is 40.5 meter and then 54.4 meter. So we know the formula for calculation of the vertical reaction, that is VA is equal to PL1 and the VB is equal to PL2. Okay, so after the calculation of the VA and the VB, we just calculate the horizontal thrust by using the formula PL square upon 2D. So VA is equal to PL1 and the VB is equal to PL2. So using both this formula, we calculate both vertical reaction. Now the horizontal thrust by using this formula, H is equal to PL2 square upon 2D2. So you can use the formula PL1 square upon 2D1. Okay, so I use this formula at support B. So HB is equal to P 54.4 whole square upon 2 multiply by 9. So H will become in the terms of the P, where P is the UDL load. Okay, so now VB is greater than VA. Here you can see 54.5 multiplied by P, because P is the UDL. So tension at the B support is also greater than TA at A support. Therefore we have to calculate the tension at the B support, that is under root of VB square plus H square. So 54.5 P whole square plus 164.6 P whole square under root of, so we just calculate the T max here, 173.42 P. Now in the question we have given the stress. The maximum stress is limited to 600 Newton per millimeter square and the cable area is also given 3500 millimeter square, but stress is the function of tension and the tension is about stress multiplied by area. So using this formula, T max is equal to stress multiplied by area, and the value of the stress is 600 and the area of cable is 3500. So 600 multiplied by 3500 is equal to 173.42 P. So from here P is calculated 12109, which in Newton per meter. So we convert in the kilonewton per meter. So divided by 1000, that is 12.109 kilonewton per meter. So this is about the how to calculate the UDL load intensity by stress function and the area function. Okay, so you can note down the question from here also. Okay, see this. Okay, So guys, in the next class we will discuss and one more important example. Okay guys, thank you.